Y'all, we're gonna do a big old breakfast skillet on my Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle. You wanna stick around for this one for sure. Let's get into it right now. First off, let's get these ingredients in order. Hey guys, I'll have a printable recipe for this down below. Hey, show them more in the video. It'll take you right to my website where you can print out this recipe. We're doing a big old meaty skillet. We got some potatoes, got bacon, sausage, onions, peppers, cheese, eggs. It's like the ultimate breakfast going here on the Ultimate Pit Boss Griddle. See what I did there? Ultimate. All right. You know, we're not all, jokesters. Anyway, so the first thing I'm gonna do on this one is cut up the potatoes and get them parboiled. I got those little golden potatoes. They're a little bit big just to throw on the griddle, so we're gonna quarter them up, get them into, pretty bite-sized little bits, and then we're gonna parboil them because they're not gonna cook up on the griddle as fast as I want them to. So 10 minutes in some salted water. We'll take them out, drain them, and then we'll put them on the grill with some olive oil, and we'll be good to go. We got the sausage in a bowl. We diced up the bacon, got a nice pretty thick little bite-sized bits of the bacon too. All of this stuff is gonna kind of cook all at once on the griddle, and we're gonna bring them all together. So we're gonna have all the burners on, and then once we get everything kind of combined, I'll turn off the left burner, move everything over, get the cheese on there, get it melted. All right, and we'll be ready to go. Take some pictures, make it a thing. You know how we do. If you haven't already, hit that thumbs up, subscribe. We have a Pit Boss Griddle Facebook group, so make sure you check that out. I'll have a link down below for that. Do all that YouTube stuff, share this, comment, all that, you know what to do. All right, let's get over to the griddle and let's start making this happen. Let's go. Time to start building this masterpiece. We're getting a little oil on for the potatoes. Get those on. Like I said, we've already parboiled these, so they're gonna cook a little bit sooner. They're gonna get nice and crusty because they're a bit soft, right? You can see the kind of flake up. So these are gonna get nice and crusty on us. What we like. All right, add a little bit more oil to the top. Then we're going with the little Uncle Steve shake, little lucky shake. Let's get some of that on. This little chunky mix. Next up, let's get this bacon on. And then get the sausage on, plop. Bacon will loosen up as we go. Got my little sausage smasher right here, my little mix and chop. We're going for kind of nice chunky sausage too. We want big bites to our skillet. And this is just regular old Jimmy Dean sausage. Everybody's working real nice. Let's get our onions and peppers in. And guys, if some of this stuff kind of comes together as you're cooking, don't stress out about it. Obviously, it's all gonna go together anyway. We're gonna get a nice little sear on these vegetables, then we'll mix them in with the potatoes. It's looking good. Let's go ahead and give these a little seasoning too. Okay. Y'all, there ain't much better than a nice meaty skillet like this. Got them big old bites of sausage, big pieces of bacon, big potatoes, peppers, onions, eggs, cheese. Dude, you're gonna love this. Trust me on that one. Comment down below, tell me what you guys like to put in your breakfast skillets. Let's get back down to that griddle. All right, let's get these veggies mixed together. Got a nice caramelization on there. Get them mixed up with the potatoes. Bacon not quite ready to combine yet. Put that over there. I'm gonna use some of this bacon grease and mix it in. Don't judge. You know you like a little bacon grease in your scrambles. I have the burners on medium heat right now and it's putting off plenty of heat. I'm actually thinking I'm gonna turn it down a little bit just to make things a little easier. Just keep working it. These potatoes are gonna be money in the bank. Meat's almost done. Ready to start throwing all this stuff together with some eggs. It's gonna be awesome, guys. All right, guys, sausage is done. Bacon is done. I like a little combination of crispy and floppy. So we're gonna move those over to the warmer side. I turned off the griddle on the two left burners, so we're gonna put those together. Okay, let's move the potatoes over. then we'll get the eggs ready. We got 6 eggs right here. Guys, this is definitely a meaty skillet. So there's gonna be a lot of sausage and bacon in there. The potatoes are nicely complimentary. The eggs will go down real nice. All right, so let's get some butter on there. Instead of this is your brain on drugs, this is your brain on skillet breakfast. There we go. Look at how easily it glides on there. You gotta love eggs on this Pit Boss. I'm gonna give these a nice little couple seconds to get a little bit cooked through, and then we're gonna mix everything all up. Add a little bit more of Uncle Steve's Lucky Shake to it. Do a flip. All right, skillet assemble. Anybody tell me what that's from? Guys, this is about 3 to 4 portions, unless you're really hungry like I am. Tell me they ain't looking good as can be. Everything's mixed together. We go ahead and turn off all the burners. And of course, you know we need some shredded cheese on there. Nice big handful. All right, we're gonna use the lid to melt that cheese right quick. All right, last but not least, need to add some greenery. Gotta make it pop, right? I love me some green onions, so good enough. All right, y'all, let's dish this up, and then we'll try it. Team hard work pays off. We got a nice big beautiful bowl of this meaty breakfast scramble. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a big old bite. Got that potato, bacon, eggs, sausage, you know what I'm saying? Cheers, y'all. Cheesy goodness. Hey, you know it's good. I mean, come on, you know it's good. Good stuff, guys. Look, tons of flavor going on there. If you want to get some of that Lucky Shake from Uncle Steve's Shake, I'll put a link down below too. Links to all my merch. If you want to get one of these Ultimate Griddles, I'll put a link down below for that too. Knives, cutting boards, all that stuff I use in my videos. Check it out. Again, I'll have a link below to my website with a printable recipe right here. But this is definitely something you can make your own. So play with it, put what you want in there. But I'll give you some jumping off points for sure. If y'all want to become a show producer like all these lovely people right here, beautiful, smart, intelligent, awesome people, make sure you hit that join button right next to that subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, we are done. Listen, I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.